In this video, I'm going to show you how to get more watch faces for your Apple Watch. First of all, go to your Apple Watch and go to your app library. In app library, scroll down and open the App Store. In App Store, search for Clockology. And all you have to install this Clockology app on your both Apple Watch and on your iPhone. After that, on your iPhone, open the Clockology app and here select Faces. And this app provides free lots of Apple Watch faces. As you can see, you can scroll down and load more categories. All you have to need, just tap on the face you want to set for your Apple Watch, and it may take some moments to download the face here. Now just tap on sync and then go to your Apple Watch and open the Clockology app. And here we can see I've successfully added a new face on my Apple Watch. Let's add another one. Let's scroll down and search for a different watch face. For example, this one. And then just tap on sync, go to your Apple Watch, and it may take some moments to apply the new watch face. And here you can see the watch face applied. That's how we can actually add more watch faces to our Apple Watch. Thanks for watching.